Alright, I'm at Sportsman's Paradise on Lake Palestine recording video with my two GoPros. One is attached to my PVS-14 night vision monocular, and the other one is recording normally. I've got them both set up with the same settings: 4K, 24 frames per second, natural light, 100 minimum ISO, 1600 maximum ISO, etc. I don't want to point at anybody's house or anything. I just pointing at the lake just to see what it looks like. Both are set up to record with a narrow screen. This works better with the PVS-14. So to keep things equal as I can, I've made them both shoot in narrow mode. Looks pretty neat. Let's go over here and look at the dock some. See what it looks like. Okay, there's the dock. You can see it a little bit on the GoPro. Now some things that are up close may not be in focus because I have the PVS-14 set to infinite focus, so that things far away should be in focus. I think anything past 30 feet should be in focus. And we'll see if I can see anything up in the sky here in a second and see if I can see some stars. Yeah, I see some. It's hard for me to see through the GoPro screen versus looking directly into the PVS-14. Okay, I'm at the city park with a small pond, shooting again both my PVS-14 through my GoPro and an identical GoPro HERO 10 with the same settings. I just purchased my PVS-14 a short time ago, so just want to kind of play with it and experiment with it. See if I can't turn up the gain a little bit. Look at the trees there, that's getting a little better. Yeah, there we go. I don't think that's too much. That looks pretty good. Now you can tell that both are looking at the same image, GoPro and the PVS-14. There's a picnic table. There's the pond. You can clearly see the shore across there. You see some lights way back there in both cameras. Now let's point it up and see if maybe we can see some stars here in a minute. Wow, that looks neat. Yeah, there's the trees. There's some stars. Very cool. I'm starting to like this thing. All right, here's some deer on another road in the neighborhood close by. Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, well, probably 8 or so. So I'm gonna head down the road here a little bit. There they are underneath the tree. Pretty cool. Again, it's hard for me to tell where I'm pointing the camera when I'm looking through the GoPro image because it's dark, but the actual video will be better. There goes the deer. There's one cross. They're all crossing into the bushes. And you can see deer in both cameras. Hello, deer. You gonna go ahead and cross? There he goes. Well, good. I caught some wildlife on my PVS-14. Okay, I'll leave you alone there, dear. Oh yeah, this is neat. Where you can actually barely see them with the regular GoPro, and then you can see them perfectly in the darkness there with the PVS-14. I'm not a hunter. I just really like just getting out and looking at some of the wildlife. Okay, I moved to another road. I'm at the end of a small road called Cades Cove. Looks like a plane is about to fly overhead. And I can see some stars up there as well. There's a clearing in front of me, which is at the end of Cades Cove Road. Let me see if I can find the gain knob again here and make some adjustments. It's hard for me to find that knob. For some reason, I'll get better at it. Oh yeah, that's better. Now you can see all across the entire pasture, the stars, the tree line. And the other GoPro is pretty much not seeing anything right here. Looks like almost like a solid black screen. Again, the tree might be blurry because it's a little close. There's some more stars. Wow, that's neat. I'm going to point through the window here, and there's a swampy area over there. Here's down the road in front of me. Very neat. All right, I think that'll do it for this video. I appreciate you watching.